Bisa kang gaduwa sa Victoria, maswak na din ako.
Biksag siya. Biksag siya bakun mo. I mean, ang sarap sa drop sa kanya. Drop dapat. Drop sa benta ba? Pero mga kay, di ba pwede? Meaning ka.
Dili. I think what happened is, I have a psycho. Akong gi-study how.
Sapa, uy!
No, listen. So I tried to, so for the longest time, I'm afraid to drop. I'm afraid to drop because yun nga, kasi katag kayo. And then, I think, nag-training siya kung once in Boracay. Once in Boracay.
Atong gatiniil mo?
Yes. Yes. In Boracay. And he made me do 20 wristward drops and 40 wristward drops. And since then, nakagets na, another day. Then, as in last month, kasi yung like, ano yan? Bakit ka na ganyan? I'm still learning.
No, it's so nice.
My brother is one of his smash. Di na kayo ko smash kaya may umutot sa drop o
Later on, naman na siya ibali-bali na. Ako sa response na ni Kay, nag-save na rin.
Pero siya magkayo may utot mo. Magbuha kayo may coach Melvin.
Yun eh, parang fake.
Pero I got it from Shell Select. Right before New Year's. As in girl, boy, girl, kay paano, pero man minikim. I'm better in front. I can do drops from the front to the net. So another time, nag-work na yung coach Melvin. Set ko si Kim. Daban na si coach. Isip si coach, kinura siya. Mami, ganyan ka pala.
Kasi daw mo rin na ito. No, walang ito.
Thank you so much. I learned from you. Honestly, when I watch your video, I try to see how you do it.
I'm trying to do it content. Grabe din mo. Kaya pa, pag-chat ko nila, join na ba si Mike? Kasi siya na naman kayo. Di lang mayroon ba? Kasi gamay rami ba? Busig-busig ganahan ba? Kasi ganahan kang ganahan. Kaya kung kami rami, hindi ang group divis.
No, I mean, this is yours. Wait, sorry. You know, we started nung lima rin me. Good minto.
Sila makaduwa na ko. Makaduwa na ko. I have free time na ako.
Wala naman sa
I mean, sa Victoria ba?
Victoria. I love it.
Kasi sige mag-chat.
Oh my God. Wait, I'll send a photo to her. Wait, let's take another selfie with I'm not so good.
Sige.
So Phil is my new partner. We're so cute together. Hindi mo ka?
Nagpaupo biya siya.
Oh, basta pero cute kami together kay comedy show kami magduwa. Kumain kami together na like really good together.
Ay, okay ko mag-do in fail. Okay sa mga aban. Mas ganahin ko mag-do in aban sa clip sa kayo.
Ay, with a bunch legit comedy show. Kung si Phil kay Mer, sa akin yun. Ay, magatawa din mi. Kasi, oh my God, goes one time, magsige nag-agaw ni Phil sa shots, pero bago mag-agaw. Kaya, diba kasi na ito, kaya na magkalaban sila, ito talaga magkalaban.
Ay, away, piste!
We only said that because we were really laughing so fucking hard all the time. So now, every time we play in Victoria, like, wala si Tim, kaya na sa partner ako. So we're training. Dito eh, pang
Nag-training siya.
oh, wala siya.
Ano ganyan? Inisip mong trainer ba?
Wait, have you played with him recently?
Yeah.
He was much younger. Even Kim chatted me with, wait, nakasiti. Sabi ko, yeah.
No! Sa doing gym.
I know. Pero parang like, this, like, oh yeah, like, you know, yung smashes, it's like, smashing. Okay, me.
Pero naghan ba siya dito sa cooking?
Yeah. Di ba kung, yeah.
Yung coach, yung ginahan sa yung coach. Kaya nakikita sa yung coach. Kaya ako-bet the way gusto niya si Phil about yung coach Phil. Ba't tingin ko yung coach Phil? Visit mo sa bandang.
wala, promise.
And ubos na.
Yes. Yes. Super. It's
Ito magduwa
different.
mi sa Bex. Hotman.
Oo. Pero mas smash na siya.
Mas lang siya pero flat. Ay, bro.
Dili.
Yan sa siya marag drive ba?
Oo. Drive.
Okay,
No. Yes. Super. Lahi na siya mutuwa. Ay, hindi
Wala.
ka
Makasod ko. Isang oras sa manin sa Victoria. Ikaw, lalo ko dito pa. Isang mga ko lang dito. Nangyayon ako ng mga tayo. Fuck you ba ito?
Not quite correct. I'm still so right next to you, bitch. Why you look so fresh? I'm
Di ba kung sa takabuan? Ang sige tag-shot, paborito takabuan dito.
Yeah, hindi na makita ako lang.
Who was your ano? Ay, social media ko galing na
Ako ang ibuhat. Today, I was there.
yung para sa mga dito, hindi ko sa akin.
Naiwan na save for naiuban ng grab. Gabi lang sa ayun. Kailan ka magkinama kayo bigpul sa boots? Yung masound ko, ginala ko na pulang mo. So kami, sige, okay. Nawan ko rin ba?
Hindi ka nila.
You know, we're just saving what we can. Because if no one, if we don't get this, no one will. So, this is not for my wedding anymore. This is just me feeling so sad that at all the lost things. You know what I found today? Shells. I found that mud.
Kamusta ba sila?
Honestly, he is
Sad.
he's sad. Hindi lang siya Dala. And now they don't have the money to pay for severance pay. Yeah, so they will close their business. Hindi naman kaya. Because they lost one na number of products that they were gonna send out. So, they lost at home na gano'n. Ilan lang tayo madala sa isang buyer? Wala. Dala sa bagyo. So, the buyer na ito nila ilang materials, ilang staff. They did loan from BPI,
I don't like now.
300K.
How you can loan me? It should be calamity benefit.
Yeah.
Taka ba?
Grabe, benefit. Grabe kita.
Loan ba?
Grabe kita SSL, Social Security. Social Security. So, yeah, manirado sila. And so, Rami is, honestly, he didn't tell me this, but then my designer made it working with him at mawala ko anak ko sa Cebu. Nasya mo.
Whatever preparation sa wedding.
Ha?
Nag-usakitin para sa iyong wedding. Dulo sa wedding.
It's actually really very sad.
I mean,
Really very sad.
na-shock ko sa ipapulis ng doctors.
Hindi na kaya.
Wala sila. I mean, imagine ka, parang feel ako, ang grabe kayo siguro.
45 years na in business.
What the fuck?
In typhoon type Philippines. 45 years na in Mrs. Mom started it. She's like 69. She's not so young. And you know, up to now, it's like 6 layers of mud. And I don't know how to save it. Wala ka, you know, ang ilang machine to clean shells, for example. Wala ka. Then they have to pay for their severance pay sa staff. So, ilang pagod ka ron is,
That's last pay plus 7 pay.
yeah, it's a lot of money.
That's times 2.
Yes, it's a lot of money. And since,
Pila ka defender sa mga?
lumay na,
No, no, the number before. No, the number before the typhoon.
the past 5 years, pandemic, not pandemic affected, but it was China and Indonesia. Di sila pa-compete with the prices. They're making the same thing. Sa pag-Indonesia, they have the same shell craft. The shell craft they have, but di sila pa-compete sa prices because of the war. I learned, I was using sa mga apparently, we can't compete so well with other Southeast Asian countries because of the cost of our energy, electricity.
Is that you using coal?
No, just because it's so high. Where ang per kilowatt is like, for
operational cost.
Yes.
Kaya kalimti naman nila.
Oo, ang overhead. Ako. They're using the same machine. They're using the manpower is even cheaper here. But because of the electricity costs, in other countries, electricity cost is subsidized. Government helps the industries for nothing from the government. Another thing, there is renewable energy, but the powers that we don't want renewable energy to flourish because they make money out of the non-renewable energy. So, muna, di siya mapas ang mga renewable energy na bills. Tungod kay kung sa may doon sa mga sa president, power
Doon masadyo ko. Masadyo ko namin, tubuanan. Kaya abin ako okay lang ako. Kasi okay na doon yung sila. Yeah, parang ko yung ako. Kasi nag-decide parents. Wala rin yung reason.
So yes, it's not a good time for them. And then dako pati kay gusto sa world.
Pero tuloy pa rin.
Oo. Madayon ang kasal. Wala, bayaran na ba yun? Bayad ako pang bayaran. Pagkapayat na ko, ko kung pahuwa. Struggle na kainin ako, ha? I already have like a jawline. And this is not battery, this is fucking mesolipo. Because my friend who lost weight naturally was like, hey, how did you do it? And siya, girl, wala ka na ako. Kasi may ka na. Like, bit. It's not expensive, and look, I'm so snatched. 5K 5 shots, 1K per shot. And
Kasi masadyo na siya yung
dili sad, it really, doctor, wala ko.
Masalig na lang ako sa natural way of
No?
doing it.
Wala ko
Like
salad for this year.
fruits, especially carrots,
Yeah.
and then exercise, like a jog. Dili daw ulan. Jog din kay para move, di daw siya ano.
Okay, di ka ito.
Ang tanong sila, hindi nila ako.
Wala,
Asa ka nagpo?
and you know what? Sa plush. Sa doctor. You know, I highly recommend it.
Sino kung naman doktor mo? Ang doktor. Anyway, gusto ko nag-di. Hindi ka sa stop. One movie, di ba nakikita mo na? Kaya siya yung nag-ayagin. So, tanan, tambal. Pero ito gamay na age. Ako dito niya ako. Diba na siya? Pero, diba ka also. I feel like, hindi na doctor na, hindi nakakabalik mo. Hindi nakakabalik mo. Like, di ba kayo mga after 6 years nakabalik mo tayo na ako yung issue. Nahulong lang ko sa akong epiduo, it's for the acne. Kasi po, saka kasi pag nahulong ka, ano,
I love the
nature
sound.
maintenance. Mura siya, yun ngayon mga, mura niya siya with high blood.
Yeah.
Nabi, yun yung i-maintain. Nagawa naman ako ang skin ka. Kasi ang bilis mo, so you have to maintain it. So, possible
Stay fresh, cake ka. Do you have acne?
I know, before, rabbit, malala.
Oh, but it doesn't fresh. What Ramos is, it's like craters, the volcanoes.
No!
It is. Tapi, pagkano ka yung acne scars around?
Sure, ito ko din yung kasi yung mga bahay, anong maagi siya sa kumbahin ko yung
Ito, hindi ko nga kay
sige,
hairy
sige.
siya. Na siya beard. But if he's...
Okay, tawag this one.
Oh, he's
Pero yan, pero sige, ako siya sa kondo.
Di ba like,
Yung
it's also
signature na sila, isang din.
Mesolipo, it's an injection
Kasi
that
mahuhusan.
Dili kay it will dissolve fat. You know what? Alan. I look like
Alan is the Borta Daddy.
yeah, I'm saying sila.
Si
Doing
Dwayne is
Twinkie
the...
Daddy. So how do I lose weight? Ano siya? Oh, isang dengue lang yan.
Gago.
Gago pa kayo, may tingin sa kuha. Isang dengue lang yan. Yeah, really, pinti kamay na po. No, but the face really, because even if I lost so much weight na, wala bibig mo ba? Really, 5K na 5 shots in 2 weeks. And you know, after the first one,
What's your kasi siguro po siya?
flush, after sa flush.
No, ito mo siya.
I said,
Ang stuff mo. Don't expect it.
grabe ito. It's an investment in terms of pain.
Anak.
Sakit siya.
Mag-blow siya. Ay, mag-blow.
Guys,
Mura siya ka nag-unlimited tanong ba?
Only in the
After
moment.
no.
No.
Almost 24 hours na siya magsakit.
No. Only the moment paid, then afterwards, kaunod.